before you today on this solemn occasion, an occasion not just of remembrance but of reflection of truth and of responsibility. We gather here today to pay tribute to the lives lost, the voice silenced, and the community shattered during one of the darkest chapters in our religion history, the tragic event of Black July in 1983 in Sri Lanka. Thousands of Tamil Hindus were subjected to horrific violence, their homes looted and burned, temples desecrated, families separated, women and children brutalized, and the lives destroyed. Simple for who they were. If it was not just an attack on community, it was an attack on humanity. हजारों तमिल हिंदुओं को केवल उनकी पहचान के कारण अमानवीय हिंसा का सामना करना पड़ा। घर लूटे गए, मंदिर जलाए गए, परिवार उजाड़े गए और एक पूरी पीढ़ी की जिंदगी तितर-बितर कर दी। ये केवल एक समुदाय पर नहीं बल्कि संपूर्ण मानवता पर हमला था। But friends, remember, it's not just about grief. It is about learning. It is about speaking truth in the face of silence. And above all, it's all about ensuring that such crime against humanity never happen again. Not in Sri Lanka, not in India, not in anywhere in the world. As the president of All India Minorities Front, I represent voices from every corners of diverse society. I have seen pain. I have heard stories from marginalized communities, from displaced families, from survivor of injustice. And let me say that clearly, pain has no religion, suffering has no language. पीड़ा का कोई धर्म नहीं होता और दुख की कोई भाषा नहीं होती। आप सब इस बात से मुझसे सहमत होंगे। This is why events like today remembrance are so crucial. They remind us that we cannot afford to become desanitized. Our silence will never become the enemy of our truth. I also like to take this moment to express my appreciation to the Government of India, led by our Honorable Prime Minister, for taking strong, consistent steps to promote inclusive development, national integrity, and protection of minorities' rights. Initiatives such as Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, and Sabka Prayas are not just slogans. They are visible ground-level changes. Whether it is the development of infrastructure in minority-dominated areas, scholarship for students, or welfare schemes for marginalized communities, the government has shown that diversity is not just an idea but an action plan. Today we must reframe our commitment, not just to remember the past, but to shape a better future. A future where no one is persecuted for their identity. A future where truth is not buried and justice is not delayed. A future where communities do not just coexist but thrive together in peace, in mutual respect and solidarity. I extend my heartfelt thanks to the Hindu Struggle Committee for organizing such a powerful remembrance. You have preserved not just memories but moral duty. Your work is a beacon of truth in a world full of noise. Let us leave this hall today not just with tears in our eyes but the purpose in our heart. Let us honor the past, speak the truth, and work together for a future rooted in compassion, justice, and harmony. I would like to end my speech with a poetic tribute. ब्लैक जुलाई की राग में एक सवाल सुलगता है, क्या इंसानियत अभी कहीं दमकता है? हम नफरत से नहीं बल्कि चेतना से आए हैं ताकि फिर कोई दर्द इतिहास ना दोहराए। In the ashes of Black July, In the ashes of Black July, a question burns. When we will have the justice turn. We gather not for hate nor blame, but so no soul must die again in flames. Jai Hind, Jai Samvidhan, Jai Manavta.
मैं सुश्री रुपना आसिफ जी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं और मैं आदरणीय देवेंद्र दीवान जी से भी आग्रह करता हूं कृपया मंच पर अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें। मैं बिंदिया जी से आग्रह करता हूं कि दीवान जी का स्वागत करें आपके चांदनी चौक जिले के। देवेंद्र दीवान जी हमारे विश्व हिंदू परिषद विदेश विभाग के एक सेल को देखते रहे। आप ABVP के कोषाध्यक्ष भी रहे, वर्तमान में संघ का काम देख रहे, तो मैं बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं देवेंद्र दीवान जी का। अब हम लोग प्रोफेसर साहब डॉक्टर प्रवेश चौधरी जी को सुनने के लिए बेकरार है, तो मैं हमारे विश्व हिंदू परिषद के अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्रवक्ता डॉक्टर प्रवेश चौधरी जी का आग्रह करूँगा कि आप आए और अपना वक्तव्य दें। भारत माता की भारत